I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Revolut wallet is straightforward. Follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Cards. Tap on the Cards section located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you manage all your cards. Step 3. Select Add Card. In the Cards section, look for the option to add card and tap on it. This will allow you to input your debit card details. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in the required information, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, tap Confirm to save your card to the wallet. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email to finalize the process. If you accidentally enter the wrong CVV, the app will prompt you to re-enter it, so be careful. I hope this helps you add your debit card smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.